welcome back to another day in our life. I was not going to record anything today because this morning is rough. But I was in the tub and I was talking to God, and my promise to Mama is that I'm not going to stop. And when days get hard, I'm going to turn to God, I'm going to turn my camera on and just talk to y'all. And it really does help me. And yes, I'm taking all the time I need, but it helps me. I'm pretty sure by now everybody knows. Yeah, I'm sure by now you all know that Mama has gone to be with God. Her transition was so peaceful. And all I'm gonna say, like I can't talk, I ain't gonna talk much about it right now because I just don't have nothing in me to do. But I can tell y'all, the mama that we knew and loved and adored was the mama that we seen when she left us. Because y'all know with all her cancer and her surgeries and everything, Mama had a lot of discoloration. Mama had no discoloration. Her skin was so beautiful and clear. Just beautiful. I'm gonna I'm going to link a video that I want you guys to go watch that Mama did. It was so funny. Because the kids had made cookies and they messed the cookies up. I just want y'all to go see that video. The way that Mama looked in that video is the Mama that we saw when she left. That's the Mama that came to me that night. And this is her necklace. And I'm not taking it off until but, oh Lord, but this is happiness, this is joy. I don't know how I feel right now, so I'm not gonna lie. I have a lot of emotions. I have moments of numbness. I have moments of good memories and happiness. I have still anger, sadness. I have a lot of stuff going on, and I'm gonna allow myself to feel everything. Like my girl Monique said, you're doing good. You're doing good, and I am. I'm doing really good dealing with everything. I did contact my therapist that I used to see a couple of months, last year. I contacted her and I let her know. So she told me whenever I'm ready. So I think next week I'm going to schedule my first appointment just so I can talk to her before the homegoing, because it's a lot of stuff that I want to get out, talk about, and release. Because after Mama homegoing, I don't want to talk about that stuff no more. And I'm just letting y'all know that I am doing that because I need to. Because like I told you guys, if y'all remember some videos back, I told y'all that we knew Mama didn't have long. But now I have to carry on her legacy for my kids and my grandkids, her great-grandkids. And it's a whole new generation. And all that generational hurt that we had to endure, when God released Mama into heaven, it all left with her. I opened up her window and, I let Mama's spirit pass on. And all that hurt, all that pain, all that family mess, it all left with her. And never again will we endure any of that. So, is it going to be days that I may come on here and be talking to y'all and just cry? It might be. And for those who can't watch it, trust me, I understand. But it's not for you guys. It's for my mama and it's for me. But I just have so much love for God in my heart. The things that God has done to me. I can't speak for my brother. I can't speak for Jordan. I can't speak for Mama E, the kids. But for me. What God showed me personally. When I seen His light and my mama, nothing will ever take that away from me. And I will remember that for the rest of my life. So that peace and that joy I have.
And another breath.
Like I said, we all gonna just deal. We all gonna go through days. I have to do her.
I gotta keep out of my pocket.
I gotta do the funeral home arrangement stuff today. So I'm not ready for that. But I'm gonna let the kids come and help me do it. And I'll just answer whatever questions. Cause I can't do it.
I don't know, Mr. Martin, they made me still have me say, oh my God, my mom. That's okay.
Yeah.
What's called the son came.
Oh, I seen him.
But he like,
they ran out of gas or something?
He said something was wrong with him.
And it's the first time that I'm leaving out the house. And our neighbors across the street, which is family, they're family. Mr. Bowles and them, they sent food over the first night, and then Miss Beverly came over yesterday and gave us a card and blessed us, because she was like, honey, I know y'all not gonna have the strength or the energy to cook nothing, to do whatever y'all need to do. And
shout out to Mitchell crew.
Yeah, Mitchell, the city crew, they've been bringing food out, and for everybody who just been asking me for the cash app and blessing us, so we can just, like they said, they know we're good, but just so y'all can go buy y'all some pre-cooked food, or so y'all don't have to do so much. And I appreciate that, because y'all know I don't I have a hard time asking for anything, because I'm always the one giving to everybody. So I appreciate the fact that y'all are willing to do that. I'm going to Winn-Dixie now, because I asked John, I was in the tub, he came in there. I said, babe, can you please just get me out this house? Take me to Winn-Dixie, because I want to get me some ground beef, because I want to make a lasagna today. I don't know why I want a lasagna, but I want a lasagna. And I want some bananas. And he was like, babe, why you say that? I've been wanting some banana pudding, so we gonna make some. And yesterday was the first time I had a meal since Mama got on hospice, because I haven't been eating. I'll eat like some fruit and some crackers, some Ritz crackers. I had made not peanut butter, Lord. I made tuna fish, and I think I only had like 3 bites of that on Ritz crackers. But I have not been eating anything. I just been drinking stuff. And so yesterday, shout out to my sister Marsha and my sister Diane, because they went to, how was the name? Paul Rand's, the place we've been trying to go to, and they got me a catfish plate with some etouffee and some jambalaya and a salad. And that food was so good. I did share with Jordan, but that food was so good, y'all, because I just knew I didn't want no pizza, and I knew I didn't want no chicken. I wasn't trying to be picky. I just knew I wanted some food. And the kids had made burgers last night and sent some home with my brother. Yeah, and he fried shrimp. But I went to bed. I just went to sleep. I was just so exhausted. We put Mama chair back in the living room, and I just sat in her chair and sat there. They was watching TV, and I went to sleep because I was tired. I think I slept for about a good hour or so. And then when I got up, Marsha and them had came back with the food, so I ate. And then after I ate, I just went back to sleep. Like, my body has just been so exhausted. But I love y'all for loving on this. I appreciate everybody who's been calling me, texting me, emailing me, because one of my beautiful sisters has been emailing me gospel songs and videos, and I listen to all of them. Y'all know, if y'all know me, y'all know I love my praise and worship. This man used to laugh at me when he get in the kid. He'd be like, baby, really? Because I got my gospel music on. But it has been helping me. And even before Mama got sick, y'all know I love my gospel music. So this ain't nothing I just started doing. My gospel music helps me. It helps my soul. It helps my spirit. And y'all know Mama been battling for a long time. So just to know she's up here. She's up here with God. And every time I can ride down this beachfront and look at this sky, I know my mama up there and she watching. And like I said, all the tears gonna come, all the hard days gonna come, yes. Because I told a few of you guys, I just still feel like I can't breathe right. Like I'm just going through the motions of this life without my mama. And I told her that. I was honest, and I told her that I don't know how my life gonna be without you, how I'm gonna navigate through. But I told her I need her to still be here to guide me, and she told me that she will be. She gonna be here to guide me through it. And I have a lot of you guys who lost y'all mom told me it's gonna be the days that's the hardest that she's gonna be here with me the most. Whether I smell her, feel her, sense her, hear her voice. But she gonna guide me through it, and I know she will.
And we just smelled her.
Yeah, we just smelled Mama. We was talking about her. Because I went, before I got cleaned up this morning, I always go in her room. I said, hey, Mama. And if y'all know me and my mama talk loud to each other. Our whole family loud. So I had one person telling me, don't be loud with her. That's how we was our whole life, and I wasn't gonna change it. Because it wouldn't have been us. And I go in her room and I say, hey, Mama, I said, I'm going to get you cleaned up as soon as I go to the bathroom, okay? And I walked in there and I said it. And it hit me. She wasn't in there. And when I told Jordan that, we just smelt Mama.
Like it was loud.
Yeah.
And then it went away.
Just that quick. But I know that woman. She going to be here. She promised us that because her and Jordan had a whole conversation about 3 weeks ago, and she always talked to Jordan about what she wants. She always tell him, take care of my daughter, take care of my grandkids, take care of Mitchell. I need you to take care of my family. I'm leaving you with my family. So they done had a lot of intimate talk, and then the last one they had was a week ago. Not even a week ago.
She passed.
Yeah, a day before she passed. She told Jordan, she said, come here, my boy. And they had a long intimate talk, and everybody had their own time with her. So
Talk when I prayed with her dad.
yeah, and that day Mama talked because I know, because she passed away. What is today? Wednesday. Mama passed Monday.
Yep.
Mama passed away Monday. Our time when she passed, it was 4/17 when she took her last breath. It's gonna be different with hospice because it's gonna be when they came out. But when she left the earth with us, and like I said, it was just so peaceful. But Sunday, Mama was up listening to gospel, listening to our church at Rock City.
Yep.
She was singing, she was talking. She said she wanted some living onions. She wanted some spaghetti, cabbage. And I know Mama got it. I know God gave it to her. I know Mama got it. And she was able to eat it. No feeding tubes, no none of that. So I know, because I know the God that we serve and how wonderful He is. And I know what He assured me. And my mama is home with her father. And I know we will see her soon. I know, and I say soon, not in earthly time, but in God's time, we'll all be together. And we'll never have to leave each other again. So I have peace in that. I have joy in that. And like I said, it's still going to be hard. I'm still numb. While I'm talking to y'all, I am so numb. But God is giving me strength. Because I have the strength of my mama. And then we was talking about it yesterday. I'm so blessed that God blessed Talia and Greg with Emma. Because that baby is so pure. And we see so much of mama in her right now. And the stuff that we have witnessed over the last 2 days, and we never gonna talk about it on camera, but nobody can tell us that it was not God. The things that Emma has done and the thing that Emma has said and how she talked, it was God, mama, and that baby. So we're getting that peace. That we know she's okay. That's why I told her, and I wasn't saying it to be mean, so I hope nobody took it like that. But the obvious that she's in no pain no more, we knew that. So when people read it, say it to you, it just hurts more because you already know. I just need prayer. We just need prayer. Y'all condolences, y'all grace in giving us time to feel what we need to feel, and we know it's gonna be okay. But at the time, we don't need nobody telling us it's going to be okay because we need to feel what we need to feel. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. And I know sometimes it's hard and people don't know what to say. And if you don't know what to say, just drop an emoji. Because that's what we need right now, more than anything. And I'm about to go in here and get my stuff. And I know I'm not going to record nothing because I just don't have I don't have the energy and the nerve right now. So I'm trying to hold on to every nerve I got. But I'm gonna hold my mama promise and continue doing what I do. And I'm doing it now. But I ain't gonna push it. So I'm gonna do just enough, and my mama know it. I'm gonna do just enough. But I will do a haul showing what I got. So if y'all interested, if y'all want to support us in any way, please go back and watch our old videos. Because I promise y'all, if y'all want to laugh, watch Mama. Because Mama going to make you laugh. And then y'all will truly see Mama. I know y'all was with us while she was sick. And it's hard. But don't look at those videos. Don't look at that. But go back and look at the videos of Mama when she was well years ago. Anything from 3 years down, go look at. And I promise y'all gonna be filled with so much laughter because I don't want y'all sad. I'm sad enough. I don't want y'all sad. So just go look at old videos. And like I said, our videos won't be sad. They not. From here out, they won't be. You know, Michelle, when she get ready to have her home going, I'm not gonna show it because it's personal. But I will let y'all know when it's going to be and stuff like that. And I'll have pictures, but I'm going to do it in a way that it's going to be beautiful for Mama. And it's not going to be sad. I promise y'all that. Because I know Mama wouldn't want that. She wanted us to rejoice that she's going to be in with God. And that's what we're going to do. So she's going to have her homegoing celebration, honey. We're going to do it big for Mama. One last time, baby. Just like Mama, because y'all know Mama used to love to dance, honey. So one last time. But I love you guys so much. And again, thank y'all for y'all prayers, y'all comfort, words of encouragement, for y'all love, y'all devotion to us and loving on us. And like I said, for everybody who has sent cards out, gifts out, cash apps and stuff out, I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Y'all will forever be my family. And I'm not going nowhere. We not going nowhere. Y'all gonna see my little grandbaby grow up. But I will see y'all later. Y'all be blessed. Y'all stay encouraged. Stay in y'all joy, y'all peace, y'all anointing. And know that no matter what y'all got going on in y'all life, how hard it may be, the struggle, the grief, the everything, God will fix it. He will work it out. He will soothe it. He will ease you. He will give you moments of everything that you need. Just turn to Him. And I can say that in what I'm going through. God is good. God is good. So I'll see y'all later.